Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and you might be surprised to see we're talking about Windows 7. Well, that is because Microsoft is starting to tell business users that the extended paid support is ending in January of 2023. So that means you got about 6 months left of use of Windows 7 before no more security patches are issued. For a consumer, that actually stopped way back in 2020. And of course, if you're using Windows 7, you are probably infected by all sorts of things or exploited by all sorts of means. No, there's no antivirus that's going to protect you from a outdated Windows 7. And it is really something not to use, as it is really unsecure. Actually, a study that came out a couple of months ago was mentioning that a big majority of users of Windows 7 are exploited in some way by either malware or just snooping that they don't even know and detect. And so it's important not to use Windows 7 at all. Of course, paid support for extended support existed for the businesses that continue to use Windows 7. Windows 7 as of this month is roughly 10.5% of all Windows versions right now. This is probably mostly 99% of businesses that still rely on Windows 7 for some reason that maybe they haven't had the possibility to upgrade yet, or simply because some system that they're using requires Windows 7 and they can't upgrade. But now it's time to start thinking about it. And of course, one of the things that's interesting is for those that are on Windows 7, what will be the path of upgrade to the businesses? Will they jump to Windows 11, or will they just go to Windows 10? That's going to be an interesting look. I mean, a lot of businesses are probably still getting new systems with Windows 10 on it to be compatible with the rest of their enterprise systems. But if you are moving maybe all of your systems from Windows 7, maybe they'll go to Windows 11. It's going to be interesting to see if that could make a little dent in Windows 11. But for a lot of businesses, they already have a mix of Windows 7 and Windows 10, so they'll probably change and upgrade those Windows 7 machines to Windows 10 machines as time goes by. So Microsoft, once again, mentioning that for the extended support, Windows 7 is now reaching end of life by the end of the year, well, in January of 2023. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.